So you're wondering why there's 3 bowls right here and some shaving cream. So we're gonna make fluffy slime, and I wanted to show you what we're making. Can we show them the picture?
Yeah, but it's not gonna look exactly like that.
It's not gonna look exactly like it, but it's gonna be different colors and it's gonna be fluffy.
Our own color.
Yep, our own. Here's a large one and 2 little ones. So we have 3 bowls here because we need 3 bowls and we need shaving cream. So this is gonna be fluffy slime because I've never made fluffy slime. So yeah. These are the bowls you need. It don't matter what size they are. Well, I guess it does.
Start by emptying that.
So we're gonna start by doing the glue. So
Also, let me get a paper towel or something. Make sure you put your trash in.
I did make slime today, guys. But
pick that cap up. Pick those caps up and put them in the trash when we're done. Okay. That way, when we're done with everything.
So I did make slime today, guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that. It was emoji slime. So here we go. Usually if you push this hard, it comes out more.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you got more. How'd you get more?
I don't. The bowls are different, honey.
Oh. Okay, that was all of it. It is, see? It's empty. You can tell when it's the white ones are in.
Okay, and then
So
we're not going to use all of this because I'm going to do something different with this one. I'm only going to use a tiny bit of this because we're only going to make a tiny bit right here to put into the other ones to mix it to make it look cool, okay?
So we could make other slime soon?
Mm-hmm.
Because we'll have a lot more?
Yep, I'm just using a little bit of this to make a small amount of a different color to put inside of there.
Okay. So this is mine. It just looks like she has more, but she doesn't.
Okay.
So now we need the shaving cream.
No, hold on.
Well, let me shake it still. This is the shaving cream. We're using the cheap kind because I don't have that much money. Here's more of that. So, what colors are we gonna use?
Hold on just a second.
So we need water and baking. We need water for this. So, yeah, you don't really need to put water in slime, but we're making a kind of, I don't know what kind of slime it's called, but I'll put it in the title, what it's called, so, when I find out. But we're not going to find out because we're making this. You do need shaving cream.
Okay.
Okay. So she's gonna do that because
This is the certain kind we're making.
yeah. Can I do the
You
other
need
one?
to get a spoon, okay, so you can start mixing.
Okay. I don't think any of them are. Yeah, there's none of them. Oh, all of them are clean. Okay, so I gotta clean one because we haven't done dishes yet. So should I also start mixing?
Yep, start mixing. And
So mix it, guys.
mix the water, baking soda, and glue.
Yep, and this can also teach you guys how to make it because it's really easy. It makes your glue watery, though. It's still thick. I don't know how glue is always thick all the time. Do you think that's good? Do you think that's good?
Yeah, yours is probably really good.
I think mine's 15%, so we have to. We still have a lot of time though.
Continue to mix it. Mix it as I'm pouring it in, okay?
Now you pour the shaving cream. Oh wow, the shaving cream makes it bigger, I heard.
Mm-hmm.
So, how much shaving cream do you have to add?
A lot.
Yeah, that is a lot.
So that's why you gotta make sure you really mix it all together.
Yeah, you added a little bit. less than me.
Well, this one has less.
Oh, yeah. So does that one. That one has less, too. Is that good?
Keep mixing it, okay?
So you gotta keep mixing it after you add the shaving cream.
You want to make sure it's all mixed up.
It's hurting my hand.
I know, but you gotta mix it.
You gotta mix it all good.
It's got a little bit on me.
Do you think that gives you hair if you put shaving cream right here
Okay, now after the shaving cream.
on your thumb? Cause I have some. Okay, is mine good mixed?
Yeah.
I've just never made fluffy slime before,
Okay.
so she's helping me.
Now, let's see. How about for this one, we will add
4 drops of red. Oh.
Okay, now mix that really well.
Ooh, it's a very, very pretty red. It's like a pink, really good pink color. It's really, really pretty. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a bubble gum. You're doing blue? It's pretty. Mine have a bigger bowl, but you have it kind of looks like you have more though. But not more shaving cream.
It's just the size of the bowl. Yeah, that turned out to be a really pretty pink. And this
Oops.
is a really pretty. You need to make sure you wipe that on a towel or something so you don't get it anywhere. Okay. And now for this one.
Can I do the green? Can I put the drops?
Hold on, let me open it. Alright, but just put a couple because we're going to add a
How
couple of
many?
something else too. Okay, because I'm going to add something else.
How much?
2 drops. Actually, one more over there. That's enough. And then 2 blue.
Oh, I know what we're doing. But this is how pink
Three
my
red.
slime looks like. And the fluffiness goes away, guys.
And we need one more.
Tomorrow the fluffiness will go away. That's what we heard on the internet
Do you
anyway.
want to mix this?
Yeah. What color will it make?
I don't know. Keep mixing it and you'll find out.
Whoa. I don't even know what color this is. It's like a
We're going to add...
periwinkle.
Now we're going to add more blue and red.
Do I mix it now?
Yes, mix the blue. And mix the red.
Okay, so it kind of looks like a periwinkle, guys. But I think it's going to look
It's
bluer.
going to be more purple once you mix the blue and red.
Whoa! It looked like periwinkle at first, and now it's purple.
Mm-hmm. Blue and red makes purple.
Oh, I didn't know that. I really didn't.
Yeah, so now we got pink, blue, and purple. Now,
Pink, blue, and purple. That's what you could make your own. You could try to make your own, but we just wanted to be
Okay.
pink, blue.
now we are going to need a lot. Contact solution. Where's the contact solution? Okay, mix it at the same time. Okay.
Right now.
Yep. Keep mixing.
All I do is want to make fluffy slime. I don't want to make normal slime anymore. I wonder what it'll be like. I want to take it out and poke it when it's done, though, for a minute. And then we can add them together. However we do that. Pretty sure you know how to do it, right?
Following what it says online.
I think I need a little bit more.
Yep, sure do.
Try to get it in one lump, right?
Yeah, after you mix it all together.
Yeah. How do you mix it that fast?
Use your muscles.
Whoa. Don't want to make a mess. Do you think I need more?
Well, you gotta keep mixing it and then you'll need more, okay?
It's getting everywhere on my hands.
I know. We gotta wash our hands afterwards.
Think that's good?
Whoa, you got it on the thing.
Got it on what thing?
On the bottom, but it's okay.
It's hot. I'm sweating.
Me too.
Oh my gosh. Crystal, can you mix that?
Mm-hmm.
I need to get my hand.
See how it's starting to come together?
Can I? Wow.
Alright, so you start to do that one. Not with your fingers yet. It's still sticky, okay?
Do what one?
The blue. Start mixing it more. And even the purple. See? You just gotta start trying to get it all
It's just
on one
really
side.
hot in here. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks. The blue looks like. The purple is really pretty. So when you guys see it mixed together, oh, it's already 11 minutes. It can't be longer than 15. So
Well, you might want to pause it while we mix it.
okay, so we're just gonna mix this and we're gonna pause you guys what I do. Okay, so we got them, and all we had to do is keep adding contact solution. So you guys already know what that looks like. But this is our fluffy. Well, oh my gosh.
Sorry, I got it stuck to you.
I don't want it in the blue.
Well, we're gonna mix them all together anyways.
I've never made fluffy slime. It's really, really
Because it'll be unicorn slime when we mix a little bit of each together.
unicorn.
Mm-hmm. Look.
Can you do the blue for a little bit now?
Just a second.
It's 12
Get it all
minutes.
off on my hands.
12 minutes. Okay, we're gonna pause you for a minute. Why we? Okay, so we're gonna mix them now, and we just had to add more contact
I'm
solution.
gonna keep this in white stuff though, because I like the green.
Okay,
I made green.
that's hers. So this is fluffy slime, and we're gonna mix them now.
We got
So.
pink, blue, and purple. And now.
It's almost 13 minutes, so let's do this. Okay.
That was really.
Okay, so should I
It
do?
might need to be a little
Should I do
harder.
pink first?
Yeah, but I think they might need to be a little bit harder before we mix them. Or they might be a little wet because the colors might mix together. You can try it though.
Do you think it'll ruin it? Alright, how do I do it? Okay, I have the purple. But this is supposed to be unicorn slime, so
Just put it like this. And then
start playing with it.
now look.
That's unicorn.
Unicorn slime.
Fluffy slime.
Unicorn fluffy slime. Now put it all like this and show them what it looks like right like that. And that is how you make fluffy unicorn slime.
Bye guys, and thanks for watching.